Hello, my friends. We are going to be working with regrouping today. So make sure to have your mat out with your cubes on it, and you need to have a dry erase marker or a pencil and a paper so you can write down your problems as we go along. Okay, we are going to be using a book I found on Epic, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the stories that you find on there because they have on everything you can think of. So this one is math, and this one's regrouping, and we've been working with regrouping for the last couple of weeks. So we are going to go through this book as best as we can. And if I go too fast, because it's hard to read your feedback because I don't see you, then just go ahead and pause it and then catch up and then continue and let it go. All right, so we're going to start reading our story. Okay, our story is Downtown Diner. On Saturday, Betsy hounds Essie at her diner. Betsie's first job is to gather the straws. She finds one group of 10 straws. Next to that, there are 3 single straws. That is 13 straws in all. The number 13 is one group of 10 and 3 ones. Next, Betsy finds 4 more single straws. She now has 17 straws. 13 and 4 is 17. The number 17 is the sum. A sum is the answer to an addition problem. So we can find addition problems. We could use our timeline. Look at how they use their timeline right here. We've got 13. We start at 13 and then we go 4 more spots. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we land on 17. Yes, we do. Okay. So now it's our turn. You ready? So now we have to add 23 to 4. So we are going to write out 23, which is 2 10s. So you have 2 of your green blocks and 3 1s, which is 3 of your orange blocks, okay. And then we're going to count out 4 more spaces. So we're going to add 4 more of your orange blocks, or you can count 4 more on your number line. Put that down right here because we're going to start 23 and go 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 27. Interesting. Okay, let's try that. 27. Awesome job. All right. Okay, clear your board. Okay, so we're going to still add without regrouping. So we're not going to need to make a group of 10 yet. All right. Betsy has 17 straws so far. So we're going to have 17 on your page. So you have a group of 10 and a group of 7. Okay, that's 17. And she finds 11 more straws at the table. Wow. Okay. Okay. How many does she have in all? So we start by adding the ones. So 7 and 1 is 8. And 10 and 10 is 20. Very good job. All right. Okay. So you can see that she had 17, added 11, she had 28. All right, good job. Okay, let's try another one. We're gonna go right down to our regrouping with adding because that's what we've been practicing. Okay, and this slide is really cool because if you listen to it, it will kind of show you a picture of what we're talking about when we talk about regrouping, okay? So if we count Betsy's straws she has right there, and think about them as a group of 10, it's going to help us count a lot faster. So right now it's showing you that she has 2 groups of 10 and then 14 ones. And 14 ones is a lot of single straws. So she decides to regroup. Okay. So she takes out 10 of them, okay, to make another group of 10 and then has the leftover ones. So 2 10s and 14 ones are the same as 3 10s and 4 ones. They're both 34. Okay. I like this picture because it really shows you what we're talking about. So you see, this one right here is her first group. So she has 2 10s and 14 ones. But what she did was she took that group of 10, she made it into a group of 10. So now she has 3 10s and 4 ones. It's just a lot easier to see it that way. Okay. So between jobs, Bessie does her homework at the diner, and she's going to work for 27 minutes. So you need 2 10s and 7 ones. Okay, so you should have on your chart, you need to have 2 10s, which are 2 of the green ones, and 7 ones, which are the orange ones. Okay. And then she needs to have one for 16 minutes, which is 1 group of 10 and 6 ones. And the next thing you do is you add the ones. 7 plus 6 is 13. Uh-oh. No. You cannot have 13 in the ones. So we need to go ahead and we need to take that one and we need to move the 10 up. Very good. And then we need to have 10 plus 2 plus 1, or 10 plus 20 plus 10 equals 43. Very good job. So you see how she has 43? You always need to make sure to take that, because it's not 413, it's 43. They're way different numbers. Oh my goodness, that would be crazy. Okay, so what I want you guys to think about now, okay? You can go through the book and you can do all the problems, which would be super awesome. But the one I want you guys to text me is this one, okay? Lisa picks 23 apples and Sam picks 38 apples from the tree. How many apples were picked in all? So you need to make sure to have your cubes. You need to work it out there. This is what we've been practicing all along, nothing new. And then you need to have it written down. My mom takes a picture of this problem and then you send it to Miss LeBear, okay? All right, well, hopefully we're figuring this stuff out. If not, feel free to ask questions. We'll figure it out. It takes time. It takes time. We got this. All right, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, fantastic day.